The Rolls-Royce Phantom is a luxury sedan that has been in production since 1925. With a rich history spanning over 9 decades, the Phantom has evolved into a masterpiece of luxury, innovation, and craftsmanship. The Phantom's history began in the 1920s, when Rolls-Royce introduced the first-generation Phantom, featuring a 7.7-liter inline-six engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. Over the years, the Phantom has undergone several generational changes, with each new model featuring advanced technologies, luxurious interiors, and powerful engine options. The current generation Phantom, introduced in 2018, features a 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 engine, producing 563 horsepower and 664 lb-ft of torque. The engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and seamless shifting. The Phantom also features a rear-wheel drive system, providing a smooth and responsive driving experience. The Phantom's exterior design is sleek and elegant, with a bold front grille, slim LED headlights, and a sloping roofline. The car's body is large and imposing, with a length of over 19 feet and a width of over 6 feet. The Phantom also features large 22-inch alloy wheels, with a unique design that complements the car's elegant lines. Inside, the Phantom is a masterpiece of luxury, with premium materials such as leather, wood, and metal used throughout. The cabin is spacious and comfortable, with plenty of legroom and headroom for passengers. The Phantom also features a range of advanced technologies, including a large touchscreen infotainment system, a navigation system, and a premium audio system. The Phantom's interior is also equipped with a range of luxurious features, including massage seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a refrigerated compartment. The car's seats are designed to provide ultimate comfort and support, with features such as heating, ventilation, and adjustable lumbar support. In terms of safety, the Phantom features a range of advanced safety features, including airbags, electronic stability control, and lane departure warning. The car's body is also designed to provide excellent protection in the event of a collision, with a strong and rigid structure that absorbs and distributes crash forces. Other notable features of the Phantom include a 360-degree camera system, a night vision system, and a heads-up display. The car's audio system is also designed to provide an immersive and engaging listening experience, with features such as a 1,300-watt amplifier and 18 speakers. Overall, the Rolls-Royce Phantom is a vehicle that embodies the perfect blend of luxury, innovation, and craftsmanship. With its rich history, advanced features, and luxurious interior, the Phantom is a car that is sure to provide an unforgettable driving experience.